Mavima. Yeah, man. Last time I was tripping.
My one.
You're asking how I've been since the brink of delirium?
Still here, baby.
It's all good, man.
J'écoute footy. I really do this like popcorn, I'm so unruly. Kwete Jekunzi, straight shooter kunge Call of Duty. Oh my goodness, the good life just kinda suits me. Suited and booted, it's war time and I'm feeling ruthless. You know who sugars, I'm twice that with twice the groupies. Nah, I'm just playing, I'm way chilled, my vibe is groovy. My life is basic, let's face it baby, they ain't no movie. But I've been blessed though, heart full of love from the get-go. I may never be the best, yo, but I'm part of the team till I'm let go. And I'm never gonna let go, never giving up, gonna give it everything I got. That's a promise, not a threat, yo. You can find me at the top real soon, call
You can tell right away that I come from Zimbabwe. And by the way that I move, I'm a lover, not a fighter. Us is steady hunting, we can still get it poppin'. Big Shingi, Africano Gigante 7-4 in the game like my name was Andre. I keep a small circle and dingo tambe cause these kids will get you killed. R.I.P. Harambe. All I wanna do in life is write my little books and die. Make a couple poems, try eulogy reads Big Shingi was a vibe like carnival. They buy the style like the cannibals. Run wild like I'm Hannibal. African general on the prowl with his animals. One for the history books in the midst of the dish that this misery cooks. Felt safe in the beautiful paintings we made that adorn the remains of the castle's decay. These ain't verses, these are almanacs of the days of the half we were paid for the parts that we played. So we stuck up to the back while they guarded the gates.
All I'm saying is this though.
Light my NyQuil with my chamomile. I'm chill. Drop high quality. I'm drinking with Blanket Bill. Back in my day, made the city stand still. Getting paid off the quill with my glass half filled. You can tell right away that I come from Zimbabwe. By the way that I move, I'm a lover, not a fighter. Us is steady hunting, we can still get it poppin'. Big Shingi, Africano Gigante 7-4 in the game like my name was Andre. I keep a small circle and dingo tambe cause these kids will get you killed. R.I.P. Harambe. And that's a word right there, man. It's from the Scarface degenerate, Shingi Mavima. Yeah, man, we're back from the brink. We're back from the brink of delirium and still alive. Thank you for the love. You know, we're still trusting the process though. TTP, one.